Hi everyone, this is Dr. S. Sabdagiri, Associate Professor from the Department of Agriculture Engineering, Sri Shanmuga College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to see about conservation agriculture and zero tillage. In this lecture, we are going to see about conservation agriculture and zero tillage. Introduction to conservation agriculture. Conservation agriculture is the practices wherein we are conserving the agricultural resources and increasing the productivity by maintaining soil health and improving productivity. It's a sustainable farming approaches. It mainly focuses towards improving soil health and soil productivity. It helps in reducing soil degradation and conservation of natural resources. It is promoted globally by Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO). In the conservation agriculture practices is distributed and promoted globally by FAO. The focus of the sustainable agriculture and conservation agriculture is mainly to prepare a long-term sustainability rather than short-term yield. It focuses towards long-term sustainable yield management in terms of saving the resources with effective utilization. It focuses towards long-term sustainability. Next, let's see the principles of conservation agriculture. The principles of conservation agriculture has three principles. One is minimum soil disturbance, second one is permanent soil cover, third one is crop diversification. These are the three principles of conservation agriculture. These principles involves in improving soil structure and it helps in increasing biological activity. The minimum soil disturbance is by minimuming the disturbance of soil or cultivation of soil or plowing of soils. The number of rows plowing is reduced or zero tillage or minimum tillage is practiced. The permanent soil cover is focuses towards the crop ratio or cover crop is continuously above the soil surface, by which we can reduce the erosion and conserve the moisture, improve the soil biological activity. Crop diversification, it includes crop rotation and intercropping. By crop diversification, the soil profiles are effectively utilized, pest and disease management is reduced, and crop yield is maximized. This is the principles of conservation agriculture: minimum soil disturbance, permanent soil cover, crop diversification. These are the three principles of conservation agriculture. These principles focuses towards increasing and improving the soil structure and improving the biological activity. Next, what is zero tillage? Zero tillage is nothing but without plowing we are cultivating the crops. It is a method where crops are sown without plowing. Without plowing we are cultivating the crops or sowing the seeds by which the crops are germinated. The seeds are directly drilled into the previous crop residues. This is also called as no-till farming. Zero tillage is always called as no-till farming. These zero tillage helps in reducing soil erosion and increasing the productivity and reducing the cost of cultivation. Next, the objectives of conservation agriculture is to improve soil fertility and improve the organic matter content in the soil. These conservation agriculture helps in reducing erosion and reducing moisture losses. This helps in enhancing the water use efficiency. It reduces the requirement of fuels and requirement of labor costs, by which we can save the cost of cultivation. It helps in mitigating the climate change effects. These are the objectives of conservation agriculture. Next one is advantages of zero tillage. This zero tillage is nothing but without plowing we are sowing the seeds. This zero tillage saves time, saves labor, reduces fuel consumption, conserves soil moisture, improves soil microbial activity. It highly helps in rice wheat cropping system. The conservation agriculture practices includes crop residue retention, crop rotation, continuous cover cropping, laser land leveling, direct seeded rice. These are the conservation agricultural practices. These practices helps in conserving the agricultural resources by increasing the productivity and maintaining the sustainability. Next, impact of conservation agriculture, soil and environment. It increases soil organic carbon. If the soil organic carbon is higher, it means the soil is healthy. If the healthier soil, the productivity is higher. It reduces greenhouse gas emission, improves infiltration rate, by which increased groundwater storage and reduced runoff. Thereby reduced runoff means it conserves the soil erosion process and enhances biological diversity. These impacts helps in climate resilient agriculture. The changing climate is resilient by these agricultural practices. Next one is limitation and challenges of conservation agriculture. Zero tillage is initial cost of zero till seed drill is higher. Weed management is higher. Farmers awareness and training is required. Residue management in the field is difficult. These are the limitation and challenges of following conservation agriculture and zero tillage. Next, the conclusion. The conservation agriculture is highly profitable and it helps in ensuring sustainable crop production. The zero tillage is a key component of conservation agriculture. This improves soil health, reduces cost of cultivation, increases the productivity in long run. It is essential for future food security. The conservation agriculture and zero tillage is essential for future food security. Thank you.